Whew, those temperatures are getting a little bit warm out there. We're up to 90 degrees right now, which is a good bit toastier than this time yesterday. A lot of those bees flying around out there as a result of the warmer temperatures, but we also have lower humidity values, so it doesn't feel too terribly hot. It actually feels just like the air temperature, but it also means we're seeing less thunderstorm activity expected. All right, east winds at about 8 miles an hour. Tell me where that cold front is basically hit across the area. Well, places like Seminole are up to 85, Big Spring at 87, Snyder at 82. While you go farther down toward the border, we're at Presidio at 103, Pecos at 100, and same, of course, goes for Dryden. Here's what I'm looking at in terms of actual shower or thunderstorm chances. All of them are staying well to the east of our region, basically following along the same kind of pattern we saw with the IBM projections for today. El Dorado, Sonora did see this one little storm cell, but that's about it. Everyone else is really just getting at least a little bit of the cloud cover. Sanderson saw a quick little sprinkle here and there, right along 349 as well. But here's what I got for tonight. It's going to be relatively calm. We got partly cloudy skies, low getting down to about 68, which is almost on par where we should be for this time of year. East winds, pretty calm as well. What does that mean for your hump day commute? Well, we're starting off the morning partly cloudy, a little bit of that humidity kind of hanging around, but then we're going into pretty mild and mostly sunny conditions by the afternoon. So shouldn't have any issues commuting around town. So maybe stop and grab your iced coffee. I suggest the large size because temperature-wise, we're up to about 94, which is almost exactly where we should be for this time of year. Average high is about 95. I know that's not the most comfortable, but it's what we're going to have to deal with because we're basically in the summer months now. I know we haven't hit the first day of summer yet. That's coming up sooner than you think, though. Stay prepared for that. Here's what I got for the model data showing, at least for thunderstorm chances for tomorrow. Maybe activity around San Angelo in the early part of the morning, then we go into the afternoon. Okay, here's where we're starting to see a little bit of activity right around our far western regions, places like Alpine, maybe southeastern New Mexico. But even then, I'm not looking at severe weather. I'm just looking at a couple of those isolated showers, thunderstorms near the mountain ranges out to the west, going into the same kind of situation for the IBM model, really showing minimal activity out to the western areas. So I only have about 10% coverage in terms of actual rainfall amounts and what we can really see. Going into Thursday, there's nothing going on. So yes, we are going to see these warmer temperatures. And I know 99, it probably isn't warm per se. That's hot, but it's warm for this time of year. Juliana?
That makes me feel a lot better.